Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, here in another mini contest with me again. So, this is different mini contest. Usually there is a theme, but for this mini contest, we talking about anything. So, anything you want to talk, just talk. Okay, so we jump to the spinning wheel. Who will the first? There is 4 people because Haris cannot join, so there is only 5 people, the participant. Okay, first is Muraya. Okay, for Rapid, times is yours.
Okay guys, so come back with me in mini contest. So in this mini contest, I'm talking about this stuff. Maybe several of you see this stuff is like turbine or air pump for airbed. Yeah, but this different. This is the name of the stuff is turbo. Yeah, turbo is what the name? Stuff the important parts for engine. Yeah. Actually, for this era, that engine is modern. Turbo is very important because turbo can increase your engine horsepower. Because the turbo word is what's the name? Push the air intake to the piston. Yeah. So the word of piston is very high, very fast, and your car power and engine power will increase too, specifically in horsepower. And turbo not like that function, but the turbo can make your car sound is more good. Yeah, you can add some parts again. The name is turbo filter. Yeah, your car sound will be like it's good, and this is a very good modification for me. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Rapid for telling us about turbo. Yes, so turbo is make your car cool, right, Pip? Yeah. So next to the second people who K. Okay, for K, times is yours.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back again with me, Muhammad Rizky Disney aka K. Okay, so today in the contest I want to tell about highway, guys. Yeah. Why I want to talking about highway? Because Indonesia highway is very different with other country highway. In other country highway, they can using motorcycle, but in Indonesia we cannot using motorcycle in highway. I don't know why. Yeah, they are say like the engine regulation engine is different. Car with motorcycle is very different. But I mean, if you think about what if motorcycle can ride in highway, maybe that's very functional, yeah, for mini minimizer for I think that like traffic jam like that, that's more good, I think. And I hope next year or this year highway we can using motorcycle in highway, guys. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for K to explanation about the highway. So that's a good opinion. So if we can use motorcycle in the highway. Okay, so next to the next person who Bilnit or Amimir. Okay, for Amimir, time is yours.
Okay, back again with me, guys. Okay, Masya Allah. So in this mini contest even Actually, I want to talk about networking stuff. Yeah, this is networking stuff that we can say TKJ, yeah, network engineer in IDN is learn. So the name of the material is VLAN. Yeah, that is two VLAN and inter VLAN. Yeah, actually, what is VLAN? So if you know VLAN, we can call it like virtual local area network. So this is as like virtual for local network, which can make the local area, yeah, local network can group by VLAN, such as like this topology. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, that is 6. Oh, by the way, actually this photo by Miftahul Rahman I searched, yeah, that is a full topology in that blog actually. And by the way, back to the topic, there is a 6 switch that have already connected to the one switch, and with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, with 12 personal computer in this network. Okay, maybe because there is so many like switch, yeah, you don't want to like hard config like go to the switch, config the VLAN and other, but I can solve. So the formula is just use VTP. VTP is a cool things that you have to application it into the Cisco switch. Actually in switch, not in. Okay. So what the that?
The difference between Cisco and other stuff.
Oh, actually,
Cisco and
my teacher say what is the difference about Cisco and the other, like how to say, merek.
Mikrotik.
Yes, like such as like Mikrotik, Juniper, Huawei, or like that. Yeah, because the brand is not that brand, and there is some like advantage in that brand, such as like Cisco. Cisco have a routing protocol that just application it to the Cisco application. There is no like routing AGIP in other, yeah, in other brands such as like Protic and other, yeah. And of course, back to the topic, this switch already we make VTP, so we just attach it the 6 switch to the right VLAN. Like this, VLAN 2, VLAN 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, the example is this is VLAN 2, VLAN 3, VLAN 4, VLAN 5, VLAN 8. Yeah. So, yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So just attach it, your PC interface go to the switch interface. And after that, if already connected, you can make it switch port mode, go to the VLAN. Yeah. After go to the VLAN that have already connected with the VLAN, actually that is done. Yeah, done. Then to config about the VLAN. Actually, just the VLAN. But if you want to like connect this VLAN 7 go to VLAN 2, actually is cannot connected. Why cannot connected? Because we not add like inter-VLAN. Actually, inter-VLAN is not international VLAN. I don't know what the meaning of inter-VLAN. Yeah, and inter-VLAN is config by router. So in router, you can config the inter-VLAN such as like add the VLAN first, add the VLAN to the router, and after that the router will respond, yeah, respond to the switch that, oh, in this topology have VLAN 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 7. So maybe we can config such as like config the IP, what we can add IP in that PC, in that VLAN and other. Okay, back to the topic. So you can config such as this router config like go to add the IP for VLAN, because in VLAN there is no IP address that we can add go to the VLAN. Okay, okay, because my teacher says stop, maybe because this is too long. Yeah, I want to make it more long because I like more long. Maybe we can make this mini contest go switch to SKL next month. That is so cool. Oh my god, what a heal. Yeah. Okay. Wait, I want to continue little bit. So config it, and after that the router will actually connect to the PC, and the PC can ping go to the VLAN 7 or like VLAN 2 go to VLAN 7 and other. Yeah, just like that for the Cisco. If you cannot Cisco, no problem. That is MikroTik. Okay, that's all of me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Okay. There is no salam.
Okay, thank you for Zidan for telling us about VLAN. Yeah, more brutal and more good because he tell the education to us about the VLAN. Yes. So we jump to the last people because there is no Haris. So let's call Nabil. Time is yours.
Okay. So today I'll be talking about this car. Yes. Yeah, okay, yeah, just mention this because I will be talking about this because this is random mini contest. We can talk about anything. Yeah, of course. My name is Nabil. Nabil loves car, and maybe you know. And this is my first love car. Oh my god. Yeah, maybe you will confuse. Why? Because like my teacher say, this is it's not like so sport car or super cool car. Yeah, but I like it. Because why? I don't know. I like this car when I was in elementary school. Yeah, elementary school. Yeah, it's past. Yeah, it's too long. Yeah, and then I still love this car. I don't know why, and I will buy it later when I reach. Okay. Why I love this car? Because this car is very wow. Oh my god, this car is cool. This car is very upgradable. Yeah. If I have this car, it will be great if I change the engine. Yeah, I will swap the engine to be a Civic Type R, the newest Civic. Yeah, Type R actually. Yeah, because this car is very slow. Actually not too slow, but it's slow for me, because this car only have 125 horsepower and only
Yeah, only 125 horsepower. For this, yeah, this era maybe this car is too slow, yeah, and that's why we have to change to be a new engine. Yeah, this is the new engine is Type R. It must, you have to change it if you have. But if you don't have Type R engine, you can choose the another reason, like you can upgrade the engine. It's not swag, but only upgrade, like you apply turbo to this car and then you change the whole parts of this car, and your car it will be cool. And yeah, you know, this car is very cool because, oh my god, I don't know why this car is very cool. Look at this, it's very low. Maybe it's not proper in Indonesia. Yeah, because look at this letter. What's plat? How to say plat in English? Yeah, like that. No. You can search in translate. This is Japanese plat. This is not Indonesia. But I will have this car. Even yeah, I'm from Indonesia, and this car will be in Indonesia, and I will be the best guy that have this car. Okay. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry because my explanation is not really cool. Yeah, that's it. Done.
Okay, thank you for Rabil to explanation about his dream car. So we jump to the next. So we will choose the winner for this surprise. Yes, we choose from the spinning wheel. So this spinning wheel is 30 seconds. So we will choose who will the winner.
ID plate, I guess.
Amir. Oh, Rafiq.
Oh, not really.
K. Maybe K. Yes.
You say maybe.
Okay, say something.
Because Mr. Mom say I must say something in this front, I will say something in here. Something. Thank you.
Okay, so yeah, this mini contest is very cool, yeah, because we can speak anything, yeah, because talking about anything. So maybe that's a cool time for the mini contest because we can talking about anything we want to speak. Yeah, okay. Maybe that's all from me. Yeah. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.